Okay, I'm gonna talk to you about this community tab here on your YouTube channel. I think is pretty interesting. Check this out. So I'm here on my channel, and what you want to do is go to Creator Studio, and on the Creator Studio, just hit View Channel. And once you view your channel,
A few people been asking questions about it.
I'm gonna pause this. Once you view your channel, go to Community. And if you got a new channel, you won't see Community, you'll see Discussions. In discussions, you can only type and post things, but you can't post any photos. And I like this. Once you get 1,000 subscribers, you're able to get the community tab instead of the discussion tab. I'll show you what the discussion tab looked like on another channel. But here you can click on this community tab. Say for instance, I want to add an image. And I like this, and people comments on them. You know, like I added an image of my food truck. But you click here and click image. And you can either drag and drop a photo or just hit select the file. And I'm going to hit this file right here, me and my wife. And once I do that, I'm going to type something because we're starting a new channel. So we want people to follow us through our journey. So I can tab this on my welding and stuff tab. As you see, I said, check out Glenn and Jocelyn Lewis' new channel. Please subscribe and help us grow. So once I do that, I hit post. And as you can see, the photo is right there. So when people come to my welding and stuff channel, they will see this, and they can leave comments or like or not like. Then I also put the link right here to where you can click and go straight to the channel, Glenn and Jocelyn channel. As I click there, you notice on this Glenn and Jocelyn Lewis channel, it has discussion instead of community. Like I said, you got to have at least 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna click on this discussion and show you the difference. You notice that there's no option to add photos or videos, but if you have the URL of a video, you can type it here. Like you see, I put right there, like subscribe to my channel, but you have no option of doing like I did on welding and stuff and post a photo. So we're gonna go up here to the top right. I'm gonna click down here. I'm gonna go to help, and I'm gonna type in community. Create a community post. And I'm gonna click right here. It says community tab benefits and eligibility. So when you click on it, I'm gonna just go take you right here. It says creators with over 1,000 subscribers have access to the community post. It would take about up to a week to see the community tab after passing 1,000 subscribers. So once we get over 1,000 subscribers, this discussion would turn into community. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.